some of the best practices that we have seen here, which perhaps we're also taking back with us, is the level of the political commitment that is there to see that the entire education sector of Liberia is reformed, is transformed, and it works for the Liberian people. That political commitment is something that we hope will continue to be there in the nearest future. The second thing that we did notice is that the quality and the commitment of the staff of the Ministry of Education Liberia, they just need to be better encouraged.
Okay.
In terms of challenges, of course, there is no perfect system. So this system does have its areas that could be improved, which we've started to work already with the minister and the deputy minister to resolve.
And what are those areas?
So the first area is on the area of policy.
Okay.
There needs to be a very strong education management information systems policy in place.
Mm-hmm.
This will guide all of the stakeholders within the education ecosystem in Liberia, whether it's a private school, the public school, the learning assessment institutions like WAEC, WASC, and others. It will guide and talk about the roles and responsibilities of everyone. Right now, everyone just does everything. Private schools are not providing data because they are not mandated by law to provide it. So that policy will put some kind of legislation that everybody within the sector has to adhere to. Second critical thing that we did notice is the area of infrastructure. ICT infrastructure is a little bit of a challenge, but guess what? When we were presenting the findings to the minister today, she had already even prepared our own proposal around ICT infrastructure, and what she had prepared and what we prepared was almost in sync. It shows that we are thinking the same. It shows that she's also taking our own initiative and huge steps to ensure that these challenges are resolved. So the area of ICT infrastructure is one area that needs to be fixed, but I'm happy that the minister already took the initiative herself. The third and final thing I would like to talk about is the staff capacity. They need to be trained and retrained to ensure that they are able to utilize the latest and the new and modern technologies that are required to power the entire education sector. So these are some of the challenges I can speak to for now.
Okay, so what are the key benefits that Liberia will benefit from the AU from this dialogue?
I mean, the first benefit is already done, is already submitted, which is that we were able to help them conduct the diagnosis of the entire education sector. We've done that, and we have presented a report. This report, we hope, now will guide the interventions that should be provided by the minister, because it is evidence-based. It was done by other people from other countries, so it's very honest and objective. So that's one area of benefit. The second area is that we will continue to work, of course, with the Honorable Minister to bring in the right technical and in some cases, maybe financial resources that are needed to implement this report.
Is this the first time the AU is sending a representative for this research in Liberia?
I mean, it's the first time that but Liberia has been part of our programs. Our KICS program, Liberia is very active. Our symposiums, Liberia is always active. And this time around, we just, like the Honorable Deputy Minister, Dr. Parker said, this event didn't start now. The discussion started about over a year ago. So it's the first time we decided that, let's come to Liberia. If you want to provide support in any way, we first need to understand where the pain is. So this exercise is, giving us an understanding of where the challenges are, where the issues are, and it also help us to design the appropriate intervention mechanisms for Liberia.
In all, one word, what can you say about Liberia education system?
Growing.
It's growing.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What's the name?
Lukman.
Position?
Policy officer.